Hi one and all, and welcome to Narrowboating with Stealthy. It's time to move on the River Avon, and today we're going to head down to Evesham. The forecast is not looking too wonderful, so we're going to give it a chance anyway and see what happens and where we end up. But it's such a lovely river. Looking forward now to carrying on downstream. As we're leaving Stratford, one of the interesting things to note here at the moment is that they're building a new marina for a 250 berth marina here, so the next time we come down these parts it'll be interesting to see what that's going to look like. I believe it's going to have all modern facilities and lots of finger jetties. So yeah, this is where they're pumping out water at the moment because of the big holes that they're digging. So it's going to be called Shakespeare Marina. Interesting times for the River Avon. That's a lot of boats coming on. Oh, it's
said
cracked.
just be careful in case you
Oh.
have anything fall on your head.
Bloody hell, it's cracked. The bridge is
Where?
cracked there.
Oh god, yeah. It's been damaged, something's obviously crashed into it.
Right outside the pub.
Best place to be now. Oh, it's lovely here, isn't it?
Yeah. Thank you. Brilliant. Lovely. Loving the flowers.
My wife's flowers.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Watch they don't sink the boat. Yes, so that was Bidford Boats, and I think if you recall in a previous vlog that I did, I explained that our boat journey, well my boat journey anyway in life, started from there by hiring a boat for a week, going out with a couple of chaps, a bit of fishing, plenty of boating. They couldn't get me off the tiller, to be honest with you. I enjoyed it that much. And so it's got like a lot of that's where it all started from there, really, for me. This beautiful River Avon. Hiya, you alright? You okay? Yeah, you might as well, yeah. So whilst we're waiting for the lock to fill up and to go through it, I thought I'd give you a little bit of information about the River Avon. Basically, you can cruise on it for 47 miles, and it has 17 locks. And its course is from Elveston, Weir, above Stratford-upon-Avon, and it goes through Worcestershire and Gloucestershire, and then it joins with the River Severn at Tewkesbury. in Evesham. We've been here plenty of times and had many a happy festival here. Stealth won an award here on the 1 year. It won the award for the best looking boat. I'll have to dig out my photograph, the little trophy that we received at the time. Thunder. So anyway, I think as it's raining a bit at the moment, I think we need to be thinking about mooring up for a little bit. How many vlogs do you see where people go out in the rain and mad enough to go out in the rain? Oh, I haven't seen many. In fact, I don't think I've seen any. Anyway, this is what it's all about. Sometimes you get caught out. Oh, thunder. Yeah, I think we're more over anyway for a bit. Play out later, shall we? Well, we've had better days. Lovely. Oh dear. Rain, stop, play.